In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bank statements in Xero. If you've imported bank statement lines by mistake, or you simply need to clean up incorrect entries, Xero gives you a straightforward way to remove them. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. First, sign into your Xero account. Make sure you're using the correct organization before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one business account in Xero. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, you're ready to begin. Next, go to the Accounting menu and select Bank Accounts. This area shows all of the bank accounts connected to your Xero organization. From here, choose the specific bank account that contains the imported statement lines you want to delete. It's important to open the correct account so you don't accidentally remove lines from the wrong bank feed. After opening the bank account, look for the option called Account Transactions and select it. This section gives you a detailed list of transactions and statement activity associated with that account. Now, locate the imported statement lines you want to remove. Take a moment here to review the entries carefully. This is especially useful if there are several similar lines, or if you imported a large batch and only want to delete certain ones. Being precise at this stage can help prevent mistakes. Once you've found the correct statement lines, tick the checkbox beside each one you want to delete. You can select a single line or multiple lines depending on what needs to be removed. Double-check your selections before moving on, since deletion is something you'll want to confirm with confidence. After that, click Delete. Xero will usually display a confirmation message before completing the action. Read that message carefully so you understand exactly what will be removed. If everything looks correct, confirm the deletion. Finally, verify that the statement lines are gone by checking the account transactions list again. This last review helps ensure the cleanup was successful and that the account now reflects only the entries you want to keep. And that's it. You've successfully deleted bank statement lines in Xero. This is a simple but useful task when maintaining accurate financial records and keeping your bank data organized. Thanks for watching.